Hey, Rob Montgomery here in the Smart Film School with the Insta360 One R, a 360 camera that is about the size of a GoPro, but can do so much more. Because of the app, you can reframe shots that you film in 360, or you can just share a 360 video like this with your audience. I'm going to take you out on the road. Actually, we're going to make a 700-kilometer bike ride between Berlin and Copenhagen. And I'm going to take this camera along with and put it through its paces to show you the kinds of shots that you can get with a really low-cost 360 camera that records in high resolution. Something like this is unbelievable. Just a few years ago, to get this kind of quality, you would need $10,000, 5 GoPros, and a special custom high-speed PC just to be able to stitch together high-quality video. And now, you'll see, the world has changed. So join me and watch this series of tutorials and demonstrations on a journey between Berlin and Copenhagen. I'm Rob Montgomery. This is the Smart Film School. Happy filming.